Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record your computer screen with sound on Windows 11 in 2026. So if you want to record the tutorials, the presentations or the gameplay with both system sound and microphone audio, this method works really well. So first of all, you need to open your Microsoft Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for screen recorder. Now, when you search for the screen recorder, you are going to see a bunch of different screen recording applications available here in your Microsoft Store. Now, among the given applications, you can just simply select the one that has good amount of ratings available. For example, let's say I've selected this particular screen recorder. It has 4.3 stars rating and 1000 people have basically rated it. So over here, click on the option of get and the application will be started downloading on your device. Once the installation is completed, simply click on the option of open in order to launch the application on your PC. Now, once the app is launched successfully, its interface is going to look something like this. So over here, first of all, you need to select whether you want to capture the whole screen or any specific area, or you want to capture only the audio. So I recommend you to go with either full or the area. You can also select it. Then we have the second option of speaker, microphone and all audios. So I want you to select the option of all audio. This way you will not only be able to capture your microphone audio, but you will also be able to capture your internal audio. So after selecting the option of all audio, simply hover over to the next section, which is of capturing the video and selecting the format. So by default, it will be MP4 and I want you to keep it MP4. Then it will show you the space available on your PC. So make sure that you have ample amount of space available. After that, you can also go to the settings and you can do bunch of different settings over here. Like you can select the FPS and I want you to select it as 60 FPS. You can record HD, Ultra HD and a bunch of other formats. So you can select that too. So after completing the settings, simply click on the option of start button. As soon as you do this, your screen recorder is going to basically start recording your screen, and now you can basically record your computer in whichever manner you want. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.